An organization is only as good as its people. In branding, it's very important to showcase your people. That's how you showcase your organization. For example, you showcase Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, you showcase Mahatma Gandhi, you showcase B.R. Ambedkar, you showcase Indira Gandhi, you showcase the Dandi March, you showcase Nehru. You are indirectly fighting your own lakshya of Congress Mukt Bharat by propagating their icons. You're working in a contrary position to your own objectives, and that is a very bad idea. So there are many very interesting aspects of the Sangh ideology which have never been branded. You know, Gandhi, Nehru, these people have had years and years of specialists branding them, making them look interesting, making their initiatives look good. We, for some reason, instead of branding our people like Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Deen Dayal ji, Nanaji Deshmukh, K.K. Nayak, we are running after their icons. Why? Then what do other people that are Karyakartas have grown up on the ideologies of Hegdewar ji, Golwalkar ji, Nanaji Deshmukh? Do we then ask them to forget these people? Those inspirations are no longer of consequence. There is a very big ideologue who has asked this question, and in fact he has made this observation saying that bhai, if we talk about our Muslim attitudes vis-a-vis Golwalkar ji or Hegdewar ji, then we are fine. But if we start running after Gandhiji's ideology, then we'll be severely out of place. So there is a huge amount of confusion that we are dealing with ideologically. There are many people within the Sangh who are creating confusion. I myself faced a problem in the birthplace of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay ji. I had to fight for it, to get it rectified, because even the RSS publications were publishing that Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay was born in Rajasthan, Dharakya, because the BJP content partner was creating the confusion. So we are at a crossroads of our own ideology, and I think it is time that somebody at the highest levels sits down and corrects it, because without an ideology we are nothing.